I really do like this product. It has been very effective for me.
Degree DrySpray with a 60 intrigue scent. The directions are simple. Shake before using. Spray underarms. It does contain aluminum core hydrate. It's supposed to reduce underarm wetness, and it is flammable.
I really do like this product. It has been very effective for me. The first reason why I really like it is that it controls the perspiration and controls the odor, which is why I'm using antiperspirant. The second reason I like it is that it doesn't leave a film on me. Sometimes when I use the stick ones, it feels as if there's candle wax or paraffin under my arms. It's a little bit difficult to wash off, and it seems as if it's trapping, like, I don't know, the odor and things up underneath that. So I don't like that. And then the third reason why I like this is it doesn't leave any kind of white residue on my clothing. I put this on earlier today and put on this black dress and did some filming. Took the black dress off. There's absolutely no white residue left on the black dress anywhere. And then I pulled this shirt on and I got absolutely no white residue anywhere on the shirt from this product. So those are the three pros about it. The three negatives about it that may want some people to reconsider it. It does contain aluminum, and I know that a lot of people don't want to use aluminum in their antiperspirants and or their deodorants. The second thing is it is an aerosol, so you have to shake it up to mix the propellant and the product. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a lot of product left in here, and there's going to be no propellant to get the product out. So always shake it up before you use it. And some people are opposed or want to limit the amount of aerosol sprays that they use, and I'm one of those. I try not to use aerosol sprays, but this one's just effective, so I'm going to make that environmental choice. And then the third thing is when you spray it, it does want to go everywhere. So what I do is I take a deep breath, step aside my walk-in closet, hold my breath, and spray it, and then exit the closet, close the door, and start breathing again. My theory is that the good smell is going to stay in my closet, which I want it to smell good anyway, so it's not a big deal. So those are my three pros and my three cons. You can make your choice accordingly. But as for me, it works. And since I'm pretty environmentally conscious about not using aerosols on other areas, I'm going to use it for this because this really and truly does work. Thanks, Rachel, for recommending it to me. Let's see if I can show you how much it sprays. You do have to hold your breath. See if I can show you how much it sprays. It definitely leaves a mist that you probably don't want to inhale. I spray it in the closet because I want the closet to smell good. Want to watch another one of my videos? Want to subscribe to my channel?